This is the IELTS exam. This your question. Do you like your job?
No.
Why you don't like it?
My boss is very bad. It is very bad.
Not really. I've been burning the candle at both ends lately, so I'm constantly rushed off my feet. It's exhausting.
Honestly, if you're watching this right now, that's your exact fear, right?
Completely. Your mind goes blank. You sound like a robot.
But did you hear Candidate 2? He didn't use massive, impossible vocabulary. He just used 2 natural idioms.
If you're also looking for a place to take your English to the next level,
You're in the right place.
hello, and welcome back to your comfortable place to learn English. I'm Freddie.
And I'm Anna.
Okay, Anna, and in this video, we're giving you 10 killer idioms for your routine, work, or studies that will save your score, right?
Plus, a fast quiz at the end to see if you actually learned them.
Don't scroll away. Let's fix your English right now.
All right, Frederick, let's look at the first question. Do you enjoy your job?
No, it is very hard.
Ouch, so basic. Now, give us the Band 9 transformation using our first 2 idioms.
To be honest, not all the time. It can be quite challenging most days because lately I've been burning the candle at both ends to meet deadlines, leaving me completely stuck in a rut.
Look at that. Instead of just, it's hard, you used burning the candle at both ends, which means working early morning until late at night. And you added stuck in a rut, meaning your routine has become a boring, unchangeable pattern. That is pure gold.
Exactly. Let's move to question number 2.
What do you do in your job? Bad answer?
I help people.
Classic. Now, let's upgrade I help people and I deal with clients using idioms 3 and 4.
Well, my primary role is to deal with clients.
Which means I am constantly rushed off my feet serving customers.
It's tough, but it's how I bring home the bacon.
Wow, that is perfect. Rushed off my feet means you are insanely busy with 0 time to sit down.
And bringing home the bacon is...
The high-scoring way to say earning money to support your life.
Now for question 3, a massive trap.
Do you like your coworkers?
A lot of candidates slip up here and give this bad answer. I don't like my boss.
Yikes, way too blunt. Let's transform that into an 8+ structure with idioms 5 and 6.
To be frank, I don't really get on with my manager because he expects too much.
Trying to maintain a good relationship is a tough pill to swallow, but I do my best to keep my chin up and stay positive. Don't really get on with is a beautiful phrasal verb, meaning you don't have a good relationship.
Then you used a tough pill to swallow for something hard to accept, and keep my chin up to show you stay optimistic.
Of course, the examiner will love that balance.
Now the final job question, number 4.
Do you work long hours?
The basic candidate says, yes, I work long hours. They just repeat the examiner's words.
The ultimate band score killer. How do we upgrade yes, I put in a lot of hours using idioms 7 and 8?
Yes, I put in a lot of hours every week. By Thursday night, I completely hit the wall and find myself running on fumes.
Beautiful. Hit the wall means you reach a point of total exhaustion where you can't continue. And running on fumes means you have 0 energy left, but keep going on pure willpower.
Now, let's step away from jobs and look at another massive IELTS topic, free time and studies. Anna, ask me question 5.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I sleep in my bed because I am very tired.
So boring. Let's upgrade that right now with idiom number 9.
Since my studies are so intense, I usually use the weekends just to recharge my batteries by staying at home and relaxing.
Perfect. Recharge your batteries is the ultimate native expression for resting and recovering your energy.
And finally, question 6, do you go out with friends often? Bad answer. No, I rarely go out.
Instead of the lazy word rarely, let's drop idiom number 10.
Not as much as I'd like to. Between my classes and assignments, hitting the town with my friends only happens once in a blue moon.
Brilliant. Once in a blue moon means something happens extremely rarely. Now let's tie this all together. I am going to ask Frederick the ultimate follow-up question, combining his job, his hours, and his free time. Watch how naturally these flow. Frederick, do you feel that your work hours affect your personal life?
Absolutely. As I mentioned, I put in a lot of hours at the office, so I'm constantly burning the candle at both ends. By the end of the week, I completely hit the wall and feel like I'm running on fumes. Because I am so rushed off my feet trying to bring home the bacon, it's easy to feel like I'm stuck in a rut. Dealing with that pressure is a tough pill to swallow, so I try to keep my chin up. However, it means that finding time to recharge my batteries or see friends only happens once in a blue moon.
Boom! Band 9.0 Masterclass. Now it is your turn. Before you leave this video, let's see if you locked these in. We have a rapid scenario for you. You have 3 seconds to yell out the missing idiom before the clock runs out. Ready? Challenge. You don't really have a good relationship with your new manager. You don't like him, and he doesn't like you. You tell your friend, I don't really... my manager.
If you said get on with, you absolutely crushed it.
That means your brain is officially breaking out of the boring textbook robot zone.
Stop using basic English. Pick just one single idiom from today's video, drop it in the comments below in a full sentence to practice it right now, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next quick scoring upgrade.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.